Have you been wondering how much money does YouTube pay for 1K views? In this video, I'm going to show you how much money YouTube paid me for 1K views on one single video. The reason why I actually decided to share this kind of a video, I want to motivate someone out there, someone who is still chasing monetization, someone who is struggling to get monetized, and you're going to know whether what you're chasing for is worth it or not. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back for another video. If this is your first time to be on my channel, you're most welcome. My name is Ben, and on this channel I create videos about tools, tips and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So if you're interested in growing your YouTube channel, subscribe right now, turn on notifications. Let's grow together. After showing you how much this video earned, I'm going to show you the tricks I use to make it earn this kind of money. Okay, so watch this video to the end, because whatever I'm going to say, it is very important to those people that are monetized and the ones that are not monetized. Because if you're monetized, you need to know these kind of tricks, and if you're not monetized, you need to know, once you get monetized, which kind of tricks you're going to apply to earn on YouTube. All right, without wasting any time, let's go into my YouTube studio and I show you how much this video made with 1K views. So guys, this is the video. As you see, this video is 17 minutes, and let's go to analytics and we see its performance. Now this video has 1,300 views, but YouTube paid for only 1,000. The 300 views are still processing, so they are going to pay for them, and I hope by tomorrow. Now, as you see, the video has 1.3K views. It has generated over 136 watch time. And as you see, the arrow is actually pointing up, meaning this video has really done well in terms of watch hours. Now, the subscribers, this video has actually managed to gain 75 subscribers, which is somehow good. And let's go to reach right away. Now, YouTube recommended this video to 8.6K people. And now, when we look at the CTR, it looks good. It is 5.4%. All right, let's go to engagement. Now, this video is 17 minutes long. The average view duration, people watch this video up to 6 minutes. Now, when you look at the audience rotation, this video has spikes. And spikes appear when more viewers are watching, rewatching, or sharing moments, which actually ranks the video, which actually gives the video a positive ranking in the algorithm. So let's go to audience. And this is the big deal, as I always say, when it comes to earning money on YouTube. Because when your viewers come from countries that have a higher CPM, it literally means that you're going to earn good money. Now, under audience, you'll see that returning viewers, I have 812, and unique viewers, there are 865. It is almost 50-50. As I said before, unique viewers are those new people to your channel, the new people that have never watched your videos before. Now, when you look at the devices people use to watch this video, you'll see that the mobile phone is 68%, computer, TV, tablet. The reason why YouTube actually show you these devices, it is because it wants you, the creator, to know which kind of devices your audience use to watch your videos, so that when you're doing improvements in your videos, you know which kind of content you should make, and that content is going to be watched on which kind of devices. Now, when you look at age and gender, this video is not showing because the information is not yet enough. All right, now when we look at top geographies, top countries, United States is at number 1, Nigeria at number 2, India at number 3. This literally means that if United States is at number 1, it will give me more potential to actually earn highly, because we all know the United States audience has a higher CPM, and the reason why they have a higher CPM, because their purchasing power is high. All right, now let's go to the reason why we are actually here. Let's go to revenue. All right, it's loading. Wow, this video with only 1K views, it generated me $5.74. This is really high. I understand a lot of you have been seeing, and you know that YouTube pays $2 for every 1K views, but this time around it is changing, and I'm going to tell you the reason why it changed and how I actually made it to actually get $5 with 1K views. Now, when we scroll down here, you'll see that views are 1K, RPM is $5.28, and this is very high. The CPM is $11. Oh my goodness, this is so high. This is what the advertisers are paying YouTube to advertise on my video, and YouTube is paying me $5 out of $11. You'll see that the RPM is high as well. It's like the CPM is divided into two. Now, I'm going to tell you the reason why this video actually performed very well like this in terms of revenue. Now, this is the video. When I was uploading this video, this is what I did. Let me scroll down and I'll show you. The first thing I did is changing the recording location of this video. So I changed the recording location of this video to United States. And the reason why I did this, I was targeting the audience of United States. I wanted to get more views from the US. As I said before, if you get views from the US, the CPM and RPM is going to literally be high, okay? So that's the first trick or the first thing that I did. And it has really helped this video to earn massively. And now the second trick is here at license and distribution. Now with distribution, I asked YouTube to make this video available only on monetized platform. The default setting for distribution is always everywhere. But with me, I ask YouTube to make this video available only on monetized platform. Now, when you set your video distribution for everywhere, it literally means that every view that that video get is not monetized. If your video distribution is set for everywhere, it literally means that not all views that that video is going to get, you're going to earn from those views. You may get views on that particular video that YouTube is not going to pay for. But when you set as make this video available only on monetized platform, it literally means that every view that you get on that particular video, YouTube is going to pay for it. Now, these two settings are what helped my video to earn massively. Let's go to earn or monetization. Now, under monetization, if a video is 8 minutes or longer, YouTube allows you to put ads in between videos. But it depends on how you put ads in between videos. If you put ads in between videos in a wrong way, you may not earn good money. And this is how I actually put ads in between my videos. Now, when you look at this video is 17 minutes and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ads in between videos. Now, when you play this video, you may not see all the 5 ads at the same time. YouTube keeps on changing for each viewer that watch this video. Apart from these 5 ads that I actually set in between this video, there is an automatic ad at the beginning of this video and an automatic ad at the end of this video. This literally means that this video plays 7 ads. 1 from the beginning, 1 at the end, and these 5 that I said. And this also helps me so much to earn more money on YouTube or using this video. If this video motivated you to continue chasing your YouTube goals, like it, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Alright, watch this video if your problem is watch time. I explained everything on how I got over 3,600 watch hours in a period of 7 hours, and you can also do it as well. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.